Brentford in their change strip for this one. Position coach against Brentford. And Ketia again. Ball is sprung out here to Martinelli, and Brentford gets some in towards Tony. It's a chance.
Wow.
Scrambling save by Ramsdale. He might have just got something on that.
Tony.
Odegaard. Saka again. Arsenal claims for a penalty. Saka feeling that he was given a nudge in the back then. But he got the... Zinchenko again trying to find the opening. White looking again for Saka.
It's great, especially if they can play directly.
Oh, bounced back, it was goal bound. Arsenal again got lucky. Now White. It's an inviting cross.
Show's been excellent from him, from a player coming from the cold.
Back to Ben Mee. Teed up to Jensen. Frustrated so far by Brentford. Tony stretching out. Xhaka. Saka with the corner kick. Zinchenko. He was on his less favoured right foot. Ball was there to be hit.
It was indeed.
Zinchenko bypassed. Saka. White. It's going to be a real stretch for Martinelli. Ben White. White. This is cleverly worked by Arsenal. And over the top from Martinelli first time. Arsenal worked that so well. Arsenal get the second half underway.
Saka.
Ben Mee has made his way forward. He's managed to dig out the cross, which is put up by Odegaard. Drilled straight at Raya. Well, Martin Odegaard, who was caught out by Brown and Boom. Norgard. Boomer. Losing out to Saka. Odegaard. Now Bumo. Jensen. Stroked just wide by Tony. Another big chance for Brentford and another big chance for their top scorer. Odegaard springing forward and getting away from Odegaard. Bumo. Ruslev.
And Trossard has had.
Odegaard. Here's Partey.
He's so far in that position.
And Ketia. Now Saka. And it's been jabbed in by the substitute, Leandro Trossard. What an introduction. Off the bench and tapping in his first Arsenal goal. Saka taking on Rico Henry. Norgard. Norgard again. Brentford level. Ivan Toney races across to Thomas Frank. It was the industry of Christian Norgard which did it really for Brentford then.